Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Fundednext to Tradingview. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged into Tradingview, hover over products, click here on supercharts, and then while you're on this page, click on either buy or sell, and then here we can connect our brokers. So if we scroll down here, you can click on show all brokers, and I want you to look for Tradeovate, because if you come here to Fundednext and you sign up for your account, you'll actually get login credentials that are compatible with Tradeovate. So you click here on Tradeovate, you choose either live or demo, and then you click on connect, and it'll ask you to go ahead and log in. What I want you to do is just enter your Fundednext credentials right here, log in, and you will be connected here on Tradingview, because Fundednext is just a prop firm, not a brokerage. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.